Have you ever wondered about the rare and exotic plants around the world? These unique species, brimming with diversity, hail from various global corners, thriving under different conditions. From the unusual to the extraordinary, they truly are nature's marvels. Let's dive into the fascinating world of these rare and exotic plant varieties. First on our list is the Titan arum, also known as the corpse flower. This heavyweight of the plant world is a native of Sumatra and holds the record for the largest unbranched flower in the world. Its infamous scent, reminiscent of rotting meat, is a clever tactic to attract pollinators. The corpse flower is a rare spectacle, blooming once every 7 years, making it a true marvel of nature. This giant, with its peculiar characteristics, certainly earns its place among the world's most intriguing plants. Next up, we have the dragon blood tree, a remarkable tree native to the Socotra archipelago. This unique tree boasts an unusual umbrella shape, a stark contrast to the conventional tree form. Its namesake, the dragon blood, comes from the red sap it produces, almost like it's bleeding. This tree holds great importance to the local ecosystem, providing habitat and food for various species. Moreover, its resin has been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries. The dragon blood tree, with its distinct shape and red sap, is indeed a sight to behold. Finally, we arrive at the Venus flytrap, a plant that has fascinated people for centuries. This botanical wonder, native to North and South Carolina in the US, has a unique insect-catching mechanism, a rare adaptation in the plant kingdom. When an unsuspecting insect triggers the sensitive hairs inside the trap, the leaf snaps shut, entombing the prey. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss, this carnivorous marvel is now considered a vulnerable species. The Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant right out of a sci-fi movie, concludes our journey through the world of rare and exotic plants. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of rare and exotic plants. We've journeyed through the peculiarities of the corpse flower, the unique dragon blood tree, and the intriguing Venus flytrap. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating plant facts from around the world.